This may look like paradise, but this is Quintana Roo, the most touristic place in Mexico and Latin America, home to the second largest coral reef in the world. But there is one problem. This place heavily relies on tourism, with this being the main economic sector and the main source for jobs in the state. So, what does a place dependent on tourism do when there is none? Which also begs the question, why will people stop coming to such a beautiful region? The answer is sargassum. Sargassum is a type of floating seaweed found in tropical and subtropical ocean waters. In recent years, this sargassum has arrived in massive quantities at the coasts of Quintana Roo, contaminating the region and detracting tourists from coming. This represents not only an environmental problem, but an economical and social one.
Mexico is home to the second largest barrier reef in the world, a vibrant ecosystem essential to marine biodiversity, coastal protection, and cultural identity. This reef supports over 60 species of hard coral and 20 species of soft coral, including Acropora, the primary reef builders. But this ecosystem is in danger. Rising sea temperatures, pollution, ocean acidification, and overdevelopment are accelerating reef degradation. Simultaneously, coastal regions are facing another ecological crisis, the uncontrolled proliferation of sargassum. So, we ask ourselves,
what if the waste harming our planet could actually help save it? It's about rebuilding, not only physically, but also mentally, promoting a change in the way we interact with our environment, and rethinking how we respond to environmental crises with science, empathy, and innovation.
This project was born from a powerful idea that even within destruction caused by human impact, we can find the seeds of regeneration.
The aim of this project is to create a main structure using residual concrete and recycled steel, in combination with sargassum, using chayote, which is a maize processing wastewater, as the binder between them. This to create a structure that replicates that of the coral reef, but that can also be used for the human life up until it eventually is submerged underwater, when an alginate hydrogel is added to enhance the growth of the coral reef.
As an architectural response, the abundance of sargassum is utilized as a construction material. The project proposed an architecture born from the ecological crisis to become an opportunity for regeneration. We use sargassum, a marine plant whose proliferation is a direct consequence of human activity, as raw material to create multi-species habitats. Through the transformation of sargassum into 3D print pieces, which are assembled in construction, this structure has the power to, when placed underwater, promote the growth of coral reef and simultaneously create sustainable human dwellings. The design is based on the forms of the sea and minimal surface. The shapes are made of these stackable models, 1 meter high, with different pore diameters, used according to the needs of the multi-species.
And so, SargHabitat was born, an idea to not see sargassum as a waste, but as a potential opportunity to bring back life to our oceans.